Just for the record, I do have on a shirt. My mom was like, so you naked in your videos? I'm like, no, I have on a halter top like that. So you see that? No, I'm not naked. The first thing I do when I'm prepping my skin is I use this facial spray. I got this from Ulta for $5 and I've had it for about 5 months now. Spray it on my face. Let that soak in, because I haven't been using concealer that much, only because my dark spots on my face are starting to clear up. Well, just so it's like if it's someone who does have dark spots. I'm looking in my mirror over here. Usually my dark spots are in here, around this area, and I have them right here. All around my mouth area is where my dark spots are. Underneath the eye too. It looks like I got a beard. I look crazy. So next I'm going to take my beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Real Technique for $10 at Ulta. And I'm just going to blend that all in. Next I'm going to take the Superstay. It's the Superstay foundation that I'm going to be using. This has been my go-to drugstore foundation. It was only $10 at Walmart. I've been buying this foundation for a while. It's my definitely go-to foundation when I'm broke and ain't got no money, which is 90% of the time. Applying this with a brush I have from BH Cosmetics. Yeah, this brush needs to be cleaned a little bit, but who cares? I ain't got the fucking time. I'm not gonna do it. You have the numbers on it, like I said before in one of my other videos, but I really don't see the numbers because I've used them so much that the numbers have faded off. I do the bottom half first, and then instead of moving it like that, I'm just patting it in my skin. So after I've done the bottom half, then that's when I go to the top half of my face and move my lace back a little bit. Then I go to the top half. And the same thing, instead of moving it like that, I just pat it all into my skin. When it's like going like that, I feel like the product is just being moved around. And I want it all to stay in place so it can look full. To my neck. Really smooth finish. Really smooth finish. That's just the beginning. Next, I'm going to take some concealer. I just needed a concealer for the time being until I go to Ulta. So this is my go-to when I'm down and out. Bam. This is a part of my foundation routine. So this is a part of the routine to make it look so smooth. My beauty blender from Real Techniques and blend it out. I've learned that with the new thing that I'm doing with my foundation, if I use the setting powder from Maybelline, I get a completely totally different look, which is a look I'm going for. Same brand, they're like unique, they're synced together, so they're supposed to be used together. So it's a Maybelline powder that I have, the Maybelline New York Shine Free loose powder, and it gives it a very matte look. I don't really like the dewy makeup look. You can go True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance is the best effing thing in the world. Look what my son did to it though. He fudged it up. He took my shears to start scraping in it, but we're not gonna let Elijah ruin our makeup today. Here, dark. I want to look like I'm Chinese. Like I want to look like I have high cheekbones today. So we're going in heavy with it. We're going in super heavy with it. I want to look like my face is sculpted to the freaking gods. A powder to make it look like that. You know what? But if you don't like it, get off my channel. Period. I'm gonna do what I want to do. Wear my makeup how I want to wear my makeup. If you don't like it, then that's your fucking problem. I don't know why, but my nose is getting bigger. No, I'm not pregnant. But I need to contour the mess out of it. But that's just what it's gonna have to look like. Ooh, my bad. After I'm done with all that, I go back in with the brush that I use for my foundation, and I wipe all the powder away. Black Radiance pressed powder. I get done with all that, going with the same brush that I use for my foundation. Hence why I gotta clean it, because I'm always going in with the same fucking brush. Dab it in there, dust it off, and then press powder. phone's ringing. My phone never rings. Who gives a fuck? I gotta add my glow. And no beat face without the glow. So this is the final look, my matte foundation routine that I do. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, share with everybody that you know. Subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss more of me. Anyways, just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up like I said before. If you have any questions or any comments, comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!